Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and a damp cloth. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV17 to ensure safety during the cleaning process. First, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button. This will allow you to access the filter. The filter is typically located at the top of the canister. Gently twist and pull it out. Rinse the filter under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents, as this can damage the filter. Allow it to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. While the filter is drying, take this opportunity to clean the dust canister. Use a soft brush to remove any debris stuck inside. If you notice any stubborn dirt, a damp cloth can be used to wipe the interior. Make sure to dry it thoroughly before reassembling. Next, let's focus on the brush bar. Flip the vacuum over and locate the brush bar cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the cover. Once removed, take out the brush bar and check for any tangled hair or debris. This is a common issue that can affect suction power. Clean the brush bar thoroughly and ensure it spins freely before reassembling. If you find this process a bit daunting, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify any issues you may have with your Dyson SV17. Now let's move on to the hose. Detach it from the main body of the vacuum. Inspect the hose for any blockages. You can use a long, flexible brush to clear any debris that may be stuck inside. If the hose is particularly dirty, rinse it with warm water and allow it to dry completely before reattaching. Once everything is clean and dry, it's time to reassemble your Dyson SV17. Start by reinserting the filter into the canister, followed by securing the canister back onto the vacuum. Reattach the brush bar and cover, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. Finally, check the overall condition of your vacuum. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything concerning, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to keep your appliance in top shape. Before you start using your vacuum again, it's a good idea to run a quick test. Turn it on and check for any unusual sounds or loss of suction. If everything seems to be in order, you're ready to go. Remember, regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your Dyson SV17. If you ever need assistance, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Keeping your vacuum clean and well maintained will not only enhance its performance, but also save you money in the long run. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.